MH here and welcome back to Creative Journey. Today I'm in the High Line. I decided to just come out, take a couple of pictures, and honestly make a video. It's been way too long since I made a video. Have a couple of stuff to talk about that, by the way. But for now, let's just enjoy the ride. Would you? Let's go. So yeah, this is a really nice place, by the way. If you live in New York or you come by, you should totally come to the High Line. It used to be like a train railroad, whatever. Actually, you can see it in the floor right there. And they converted it into a park. It's like a, I want to say like 30-40 minutes walk. Unless you're a photographer or videographer, it's gonna become like a 2-hour walk. But you know how that is. Anyways, if you saw my thumbnail in my title, you're wondering why would he said that? Well, what it actually meant is don't become a photographer or a videographer if you think it's gonna be easy or if you think you're gonna be making the big buck or whatever. It's actually not that easy. And yeah, it pays well after you actually learn and grind and take thousands of pictures and videos or whatever. So don't become a photographer or a videographer for the wrong reasons. Become one if you really want to enjoy yourself, express yourself, use your creativity and stuff, right? That's one of the reasons why I haven't made videos in a long time is I felt like my videos aren't good enough. So why would I be publishing and making videos? So actually, if you're missing a lot making videos, like I said, I don't feel like I'm really good at it. I just decided not to pay attention to it anymore. Honestly, I'm just gonna make what I can make, learn what I can learn, and keep doing it. So I hope to actually start publishing more videos in my channel. Maybe some people will see it, maybe not, but that's not the point of it. The point is express my creativity and learn about it. And would you look at this freaking view? Really? That really exists? I love this city, for real. So by now you probably have seen a couple of the pictures I've taken here. I'm not taking too many pictures, honestly. My mind is more in a videographer mindset right now. I'm not trying to give a big speech to no one. I'm just trying to express myself, and hopefully this will inspire someone. Hopefully this will reach someone out there that needs to hear it. Probably taking pictures and making videos saying like, oh, I suck at it. Newsflash, we all do, at least for a while. I still do. Yeah, I have a couple of pictures, not many videos I'm proud of, but you know, little by little, you gotta keep trying, keep learning. That's the most important part, and the hardest part, to go through that grind of doing and making it, feeling like, ooh, this sucks. Ooh, who's going to want to look at this or watch this? But don't pay attention to that. Don't pay attention to numbers. Just enjoy yourself. That's what your camera is for. That's what photography is for, right? So I actually want to show you something around here. Let's go real quick. So this little spot right here is, I think, right in the middle of the High Line. It's amazing. So you can actually see it right there. I actually made a little time lapse. That's why it's so dark right now. I stayed there like for half an hour making it. I'm actually gonna put it at the end of the video so you can check it out. Nothing special. It looks cool. I just love this spot, like to hang out, come here with a friend, a coffee, or just by yourself and take a couple of pictures. Do a time lapse like I just did. Whatever. So yeah, highly recommended. Come to the Highline. Remember, don't create for the wrong reasons. Don't become a photographer or videographer just because you want to be famous in YouTube or on Instagram. If you do it because you love it. Do it because you like creating. And that's it. It's gonna be just a really short video. It's something that I had to put out there. Like I said, hopefully reach the right person. Yep. See you next time. Bye guys. Keep creating. Remember that.